Hey loves, it's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenlyerra, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I get free PR boxes. It's not the ones that, you know, the celebrities get with the speakers and the videos and all of that, but it does give you an opportunity to get products in order to review and grow your channel. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so I've been receiving DMs and messages asking me how I get these PR boxes. So I'm gonna tell you the secret, even though you're not a big social media person. The company that I go through is called Influenster. Not influencer, but Influenster. Influenster is an app that allows you to create a profile and review products. You just go in there and you review any type of product that you might have. They have all of these new different products from all of these companies, and they put these PR boxes together to allow you to get a sample of the product and review it. On the app, it'll give you more cool points if you review on the website, if you review it and post it on your social media platforms. And it just gives you more opportunities to get more boxes once you continue to share and continue to engage with the app. So this is my influencer profile right here. I have all of these different campaigns. I'll get into the campaign part in a minute, but at the top you will see that it says I have 25 new snaps. So I click on get started. This is how the app gets to know you. So they have all these different categories here, and I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick makeup. So they ask you these questions to get a feel of the type of person that you are, to put you with the campaigns, aka PR boxes, that they will actually send you. So you go through all of the snaps and you just answer all of those questions so that they can get some information about you. And then once they pair you with a certain type of PR box, they'll send you an email. When you get the email about the different campaign, aka PR box that you're going to be a part of, they ask you a lot of different questions to see if you fit what they're looking for the PR box. The more that you review, the more that you engage, the more opportunities that you will receive in receiving the PR boxes. I'm gonna share the screen again so you can see me actually answering the questions to a particular campaign that they emailed me about. When going through it, you can see the type of questions that they're asking me. So I just take my time and go through and answer all the way through. And this is exactly the type of questions that they ask. And I actually did get selected for this campaign. I just answer all the questions, you sign it at the end, and then you'll receive an email saying that you're in if you actually got it. So I actually received the email, and this is the box that they sent me, the Revlon box. It's gonna say Influencer on it. In the box, I have the Revlon primer, the Revlon foundation, and the Revlon highlighter. And these are all new products. But as y'all can see in the questions, they were asking me like my skin tones and different things like that. So I tried to match it. This is the foundation. This is called the Photo Ready Candid Glow. And this is the prime. It's called Photo Ready Prime Plus Brightening Plus Skin Tone Evening. This is a makeup and skincare primer. With this type of thing, I would actually read the ingredients and just go back and see if I can put this on my skin. Because if you aren't new here, you'll know that I've been working on my skin, and I am currently using Curology, and there's certain products that I cannot use on my skin. We'll see about that one. Yeah, so this is the highlighter. This box came with the questions that I just had on the screen and I was answering. This is not the only box that I received, of course. My other most recent box is a skincare box, which I still need to go and read the ingredients again. It's by Clean It. It's called Clean It Zero. And this came with this here. This is called the Clean It Zero Special Kit. Once you receive your packages, you'll have about a month to participate in the campaign. When you participate in the campaign, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna click on the Clean It Zero box. They call them boxes. Not really sure where they get the box from. The Clean It one, I'm gonna click on Start Campaign. These are the things that it's gonna ask you to complete. It's gonna ask you to review your foam cleanser on Ulta.com, review your cleansing balms on Ulta.com, and follow Vanilla Co on Instagram and post a picture on Instagram. I'm not really sure why it says rejected on here because I didn't try to. Oh, because I have to reconnect my Instagram. Cool. So once you upload to Instagram, they actually give you the tags and the ads that you need to do on your caption. So you can either do this in your Instagram story or on your timeline. I always choose to do these things on my Instagram story. That's just my preference. Once you complete it, you'll just click on submit and preview. So you go in here and you just complete the things and you'll get points. The more you put effort and the more points that you have, the more opportunities that you will have to get more boxes in the future. It's absolutely free. You do not have to pay anything for this service. You go online, you make an account, you have the app, you can review products that you have around the house. It'll let the companies know that you actually are reviewing different type of products. Whenever you get an email that says that you have an opportunity to get a box, you jump on that email as soon as possible. Answer all the questions in the email, and if you get selected, your box comes ASAP. It comes pretty quickly. You get your box, you use the products, you review the products online using all of the checkpoints in the campaign, and then you go on to the next one. You get more boxes. So I wanted to show y'all the other different types of boxes that I've received in the past. I don't have all of them, but I do have some here because I want to just keep them and show you all. Some of these things still have stuff in them. Why, I don't know. This is like a big box. They give these away every now and then. Sometimes the boxes don't have but one product in it. In here I had a pineapple C bright serum, some primer from Beauty Blender, the Vera Bradley razor and shaving cream, the Madam CJ Walker protein treatment, which I need this actually in my bathroom. I should have used this on my hair. Some more Madam CJ Walker products for your hair. They gave me some more Beauty Blender samples. This one was a Marc Jacobs box, but this basically came with 3 lipsticks. This was a Clairol Root Touch Up box, which is still in here that I haven't used. Oh, this was a good one. This was the Origin box, so it was stuff for your acne. It actually came in this small box here. It was a bamboo charcoal mask. What is this? Oh, this was a Huda Beauty. It was a eyeliner. This was some Shea Moisture products. It was a honey and yogurt like body cleanser that you use in the shower. So they sent some eyebrow gel. This was one of my favorite boxes because it was just so dramatic and it was just so pretty. I hope this helps you all. I hope you all benefit from actually signing up. It is a good company. It does give you things to review for your channel. My link is down below, so if you want to go review my profile. I don't really have that many other reviews on there because I only did it in the campaign. So yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see what I have coming up for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video.